I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the free gas.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Everybody. You tune in for another one. Today we're doing a little small unboxing. I tell y'all I want to make the videos better quality wise. This one I'm actually recording on my phone. I'm gonna boost the audio and post. I'm actually a real big fan of this GoPro camera. Spent a little bit of bread on it. Might as well kind of just maximize the outfit. So I might have to spend a little bit of money to bring that better quality. The GoPro has never boasted great sound, but the video is definitely on point. Turn a little light on. I don't know how much better that made it. I don't really do videos like this with a setup, but I do know what I need to do for the most part, you know, to make it look the way it needs to look. So let's get right to it. So you got a cheddar package here. Amazon Prime. Ordered it yesterday, it's here today. And as you can see, what we have here is the Pro 3.5 millimeter adapter jack bobber thingamajigger. I wasn't really sure about how to go about fixing that sound issue with this rattling case. I'm guessing that the case just doesn't, while the GoPro is in there securely, it doesn't hold it securely enough to where it won't move at all. So in addition to this, I'm gonna be ordering another case, like $20. That way I can have a case for this. That way all I have to do is pop the camera out. I don't have to move the camera from this piece from, you know, one to one. So that way this can stay in the car or the truck, and then this can just be for like outside of the vehicle. Also, that's in the hopes that that's going to solve the issue with the rattling once I get that other case. This is like a no fail safe, or it's a fail safe, like no matter what happens, even if I get the other case and it still does some rattling sounds, then it really won't be that big of a deal because I had the external mic. I would show y'all me actually putting it on to the GoPro, but my GoPro is currently copying videos over to my computer, so y'all gonna have to wait. But yeah, I just wanted, like I said, unbox it right here, right quick for y'all. So we can go ahead and adjust the angle. Alright, so when you open in a box, basically what you have here is the adapter. And that's it. You make sure that you update your GoPro. There's nothing else. Update your GoPro before using with the latest software. That's all it says. And the adapter, I believe it was like $50, like 52 after tax. It's like $49.99, and after tax is like 52. Comes with the USB 3.0 joint on there, and then the headphone jack or the microphone jack. I really feel like this was something that could have been built into the camera. Just my personal opinion. But you know, I mean, that's what companies do to make more money. Like Apple does the same thing with their dongles and adapters and things like that. And I mean, it's just something you have to do. But I definitely want to get this solved as far as video, well, audio quality, and just get that done. So, basically, what it's gonna do. I'll swing all around over here. So basically, what it's gonna do, where this cable is plugged in right here, it's going to plug into the case. I've seen some videos where like people have done like different setups of their GoPro setups and put little Rode video mics and stuff on there. I'm probably gonna be rolling with a lav mic, just because I'm trying to up the quality of the sound, but at the same time not just, you know, spend a whole lot of money. I actually probably will eventually get a Rode mic. I think the Rode Mic Video Pro or Rode Mic Mini or one of them Rode mics. Like the cheapest one is like $60. So I might go ahead and break down and get that as well. That way, when I get that other case, I can do that like that little setup to where they had this mounted like around the case or something like that, to where, because as you can see, like the adapter is like damn near as big as the damn GoPro. Like that's, it just seems a bit excessive for just a microphone jack. But what do I know? I'm just a YouTuber. So yeah. So stay tuned, and this will definitely be being implemented into future videos. And I'll show you exactly that difference in quality.